Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to review SoFi Bank. We will dive into it and tell you all about the pros, cons, and everything you need to know before deciding if it's the right banking option for you in 2024 or not. So let's get started. Key features of SoFi Bank. Let's go over some of SoFi's standout features. Number 1, high interest savings and checking. SoFi offers competitive APYs which are significantly higher than the national average. This makes it ideal for people wanting their savings to grow more passively. Number 2, no monthly fees. You'll find no account maintenance fees, no overdraft fees, and no minimum balance requirements, which keeps costs low and makes SoFi accessible. Early direct deposit. SoFi lets you get paid up to 2 days early if you set up direct deposit, which can be incredibly helpful for budgeting. Cashback rewards with debit card. SoFi's debit card offers cashback on purchase, a feature often reserved for credit cards, making it a great incentive for debit users. Comprehensive app for investments. If you want to do more than just save and spend, SoFi's lets you invest, and this is one of the biggest features that will support your financial life. Pros of SoFi Bank. Alright, let's talk about the upsides of choosing SoFi Bank. Number 1, great APY on savings. The high interest rates really stand out here, especially if you compare them with traditional banks. No fees. The lack of fees really adds up over time, making SoFi a cost-effective choice for anyone tired of traditional bank charges. User-friendly application. The app is smooth, easy to navigate, and gives you a complete financial picture from spending insights to investment performance, financial resources, and community. SoFi provides free financial planning sessions, career coaching, and access to an exclusive community, which can be beneficial for members focused on financial growth and career building. Cons of SoFi Bank. Now, no bank is perfect, alright? So here are a few cons to keep in mind. Limited physical branches. SoFi operates online, so if you are used to in-person banking, this could be a downside. ATM network limitations. Although SoFi provides fee-free access to a large network of ATMs, you may still face fees at out-of-network ATMs, and some customers miss the convenience of widespread branch ATMs. Customer service. Some users report inconsistent customer service experiences, which can be a deal breaker if you prefer instant support. Limited small business banking options. SoFi is great for personal finance, but if you are a business owner, you might find it lacking in business-related products and services. Now, who should use SoFi Bank? SoFi is ideal if you are looking for a digital bank with low fees, a high APY, and an all-in-one financial platform. It's great for younger professionals, tech-savvy individuals, and anyone focused on maximizing interest on their savings. But if you are a business owner or someone who prefers face-to-face banking, you might want to look elsewhere. In conclusion, SoFi Bank has a lot to offer for digital savvy users, and their competitive APYs, low fees, and app features making it a strong choice in 2024. However, it might not be the perfect fit for everyone. So what do you think? Are you considering SoFi as your bank? Let me know down below in the comments. And that's all for today's review. If you find this review helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, leave us a good comment down below, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.